morning. Welcome back with the MQL Suite Morning Market Report. Investments with margin exchange involve considerable economic risks, and anyone who does them does so under their own and exclusive responsibility. Therefore, the author of this teaching session assumes no responsibility for any direct or indirect damages in relation to investment decisions taken by the listener. Today is Wednesday, the 17th of April. The Chinese data have been much better than expected and remove fears of a weakening in the country's economy. GDP in the first quarter rose by 6.4%, forecasts were for 6.3%, and industrial production in March increased by 8.5% on an annual basis, while retail sales in the same period reached an increase of 8.7%. The positive data show that the Chinese economy is solid and prove that support measures such as tax cuts work. The reaction of the Asian stock market to Chinese data, however, has been weak, and the opening today is mixed. Even the opening of European markets is weak, as investors are more focused on the progress of US-China trade negotiations. Inflation in the Eurozone for the month of March is on the agenda this morning. Analysts expect the flash estimate of 1.4% to be confirmed. In Italy, Istat will release definitive inflation data for March. Again, analysts expect confirmation of preliminary readings. Yesterday evening, the Netflix accounts were communicated. The data for the first quarter were good, while the data for the current quarter are not convincing, as both the increase in customers and the profit target were below expectations. IBM data also arrived, whose profits exceeded expectations. Revenues from the cloud-based services area, on the other hand, were the most disappointed in the market. It's 17 minutes past 10 at the moment. The Australian dollar is strengthening this morning, with Audi CHF that is earning 0.42%, Audi Yen is earning 0.40%, Audi NZD is earning 0.74%, and Audi USD is earning 0.40%. Also, the Canadian dollar is very strong, with CAD CHF that is earning 0.33% and CAD Yen that is earning 0.32%. The euro is mixed, with Euro D that is losing 0.04%, while Euro CHF is earning 0.38% and Euro Yen is earning 0.35%. Also, the pound is mixed, with GBP AUD that is losing 0.33% and GBP CAD that is losing 0.24%. On the contrary, GBP CHF is earning 0.09% and GBP NZD is earning 0.41%. NZD CAD is losing 0.60%, USD CAD is losing 0.28%, USD CHF is earning 0.03%, and USD Yen is earning 0.05%. All the indices are very strong today, with Hong Kong that is earning 0.09%. In Wall Street, the Dow Jones is earning 0.12%, the Nasdaq is earning 0.28%, and the S&P is earning 0.18%. The Euro Stoxx 50 is earning 0.12%, the Holland Index is earning 0.18%, the Swiss Index is earning 0.31%, the CAC 40 is earning 0.09%, the DAX is earning 0.14%, the FTSE MIB is earning 0.40%, and the LIBEX is earning 0.18%. The Brent and the WTI are strengthening this morning, with the Brent that is earning 0.38% and the WTI that is earning 0.36%. The strongest currency this morning is the Australian dollar that is earning 2.35% on the basket. The euro is also very strong and it is gaining 2.07% on the basket. The weakest currency is the New Zealand dollar that is losing 3.29% on the basket. The best performance is recorded by Audi NZD that is earning 0.74%. On the contrary, the worst performance is recorded by NZD CAD that is losing 0.59%. That's all for now. Have a nice trading.